Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Yourself on acoustic guitar. First, grab your capo and place it securely on the 4th fret of your guitar. This helps you play in the original key with simple open chords. You'll need to learn 5 basic chords: C major, G major, A minor, D minor, and F major. These are fundamental for many songs, so mastering them is a great step. Next, let's talk about the strumming. A simple down, 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 up pattern works well for beginners. To capture the song's unique feel, try adding a percussive slap or mute on the 2nd and 4th beats of each measure. This creates a rhythmic smack sound. Practice this slowly, aiming for a steady rhythm of about 100 beats per minute to get that authentic groove. Now, let's put those chords into action for the verse and pre-chorus. The verse typically cycles through C, G, A minor, D minor, C, and G. Play each chord for 2 beats. For the pre-chorus, the progression shifts to a minor, F, C, repeating once, then a minor, F, and finally G. Focus on smooth transitions between these chord shapes to keep the song flowing. Finally, we arrive at the memorable chorus. The chord progression here is C, G, A minor, F, followed by C, F, and then C again. This sequence repeats 2 times for the full chorus. Remember to maintain your strumming pattern and percussive elements throughout. Consistent practice of each section, gradually increasing your speed, will help you master this popular tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.